How to apply for HSBC credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for HSBC, also known as Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation credit card online. HSBC is one of the largest banking and financial services organizations in the world. Now to apply for HSBC credit card, you need to first go to the official page of HSBC credit card. For that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type the official website of HSBC credit card. Also, for example, if you are in the US, you can visit HSBC USA credit cards. For that, in the search bar you need to type us.hsbc.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will be taken to the official website of HSBC credit card of US. And once you reach to this page, you scroll down and click on this credit cards option. Once you click on this link, now you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see the credit card available in HSBC. You scroll down to find the one that you would like to apply for. Once you find the one that you would like to apply, click on this Apply Now button at the bottom of the information box of this card. Once you click on this Apply Now, again you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will be given with the procedure on how you can apply for HSBC credit card. It says, if you are new to HSBC, you need to click on this Learn More About Premier or this credit card. And if you are existing customer of HSBC, first of all you need to log into your personal internet banking to apply for this credit card. Go ahead and click on this Log On to apply. And then you will be presented with a login interface in this page. Once this page loads, you enter your details like your username and log into your account. And after logging into your account, you will need to look for the Apply Now button and tap on it. Then you will need to fill out the online application form with your personal information such as your name, address, employment details, and other required details. And you may also need to upload supporting documents for the verification. Also ensure that your documents are ready with you. After that, you need to review the information you have provided, and once you are satisfied, submit your application. And then HSBC will review your application and may contact you for further information if needed. And once your application is approved, HSBC will send your new credit card to your address. And then you will need to follow the instructions to activate your card. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply for HSBC credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching.